Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Black Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to turn on the Macbook Firewall. So of course, if you need that added protection with network security, you can actually turn on the Macbook Firewall. Alright, so in order to turn it on, you're going to go to Apple logo upper left, go to System Settings. Then of course, you're going to be here. You're going to go to Network. And of course, you're going to see your Wi-Fi connection. And of course, you're going to see your firewall. Notice mine is inactive. Go ahead and tap on the firewall text. It says firewall computer. Computer's firewall is currently turned off. All incoming connections to this computer are allowed. So I'm going to turn firewall on. And of course, it says the firewall is turned on and set to prevent unauthorized applications and program services from accepting incoming connections. All right. So of course, the firewall is now on. If you go back, you notice it says firewall is active. All right, so the firewall is on now. You can go to options. You can actually go in here and go to options to customize the firewall. All right, so in case later on you're having software issues, do remember that the firewall is now on. So depending on your setup and your situation, for most it will filter the traffic. If it needs any interaction, you should ask, but in most cases, you should be good. Whatever, if you're having problems with applications, you may want to come back in and turn it off temporarily, or to keep it on. That will add that added security with your built-in firewall. In the options as well, you can block all incoming connections just in case you need that in a situation where you're basically locking down the device. And of course, that's how it's done. So you simply go here and you can customize it or when it asks. So that's how to use your firewall in terms of activating it. It's off by default. And of course, that's how to turn it on in your MacBook. I was demonstrating a Macbook Neo. It's the same on the MacBook Pro and the MacBook Airs. Hope that was useful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.